Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I'm here in Santa Margherita, Ligure. It's a part of Italy where is all the beaches. Now if you are going here in Santa Margherita, you must visit this San Giacomo church and Villa Dorazzo. Now we are going there, so let's go. If you're going here, go to the street of Piazza Erasmo. There, if you see the church there, and you will see these stairs, these long stairs. So this is the way going to the Villa Dorazzo and the church. You can see up is the view of Santa Margherita. I don't know how many steps is this, so just go upstairs. See? Bali, doon tayo po nanggaling sa likod. Kung makikita nyo. So, ako'y pakyat dun sa taas para makita natin yung pinaka view. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, huwag kayong magmadaling umakyat at nakakapagod. Usually, ang mga view dito sa Italy is yung mga pakyat. Pansin nyo sa mga vlog ko, halos yung bago ko makarating sa pinaka tourist spot is pakyat. So, ganito kung umakyat, mga 8:15 ng umaga para hindi mainit. Ayan. Tayo galing. There is also houses in the side. From now, there is a construction in front of the church. Maybe for maintaining the you can also walk there and there, left and right. So I'll choose here few little steps compared to the other side. The way there is going to the residential houses. You can see on the floor, it's nice, from the stone, made of the stone. So there is the sea and boat. There is the other way. This is the church, famous church here in Santa Margherita, Ligure. Oh, it's nice. As you can see, all the houses there. The other side is the Villa Dorazzo, the nice beautiful garden with restaurant, and sometimes there is an event there. Special event for Santa Margherita. It's nice. This is inside the church. Nice here. Very silent as of now, because there is not yet a mass. No mass yet. Ganda. It's so beautiful. There is a design. As of now, at 8:20, we cannot enter here. The gate going to Villa Dorazzo, because the opening is 9 a.m. in the morning to 8 o'clock in the evening for the public opening hours. So maybe we are going to other side. Okay, going here. We will see what's in here. We're only just walking to discover the place. Bali, dito ako dumaan kanina dun sa left, paakyat na simbahan. Ngayon bumaba ako dun sa way na right naman. So tignan natin kung ano yung nasa right. Doon tayo galing sa likod. Tignan natin kung anong meron dito. If not, we're going to the little castle. Kung makakaakyat tayo sa taas, yun, makikita nyo yung baba. Sarado pa as of this moment, sarado pa. So we are approaching to the castle. That is a little castle, as I mentioned earlier. Is the castle. If you are in the front of this is the view, and this church is renovating now. A little construction. So we try to see if we can see the view from there to the sea. Another chapel inside the chapel. This is how it looks like inside the chapel. Ecco. You can see the view and the castle, that one, and the port of Santa Margherita. Meron siyang malaking ship ngayon, yung cruise ship. Galing sa ibang lugar o bansa yung ship na yun. So, if pupunta kayo dito, may way din doon papunta dyan, papuntang castle. So, baba tayo. Para makita nyo yung kabilang view. So, nasa likod ko yung castle. This Santa Margherita is near at the Portofino. Santa Margherita first, and then going to Portofino. If you go to Portofino, take a bus here, from here in Santa Margherita. So there is a restaurant here and happy hour in the afternoon. This is the wine bar. In the afternoon, it's open. We are approaching in the center of the Santa Margherita, in the Piazza Santa Margherita. It's nice though. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe everyone and God bless. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!